In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Genspark AI from scratch, including how to sign up, log in, and use its most powerful features like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an AI assistant that can do much more than a normal chatbot, then Genspark AI is definitely worth checking out. It combines AI search, research, writing, and content creation into a single platform, making it perfect for students, professionals, creators, and anyone who wants to save time. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Genspark AI website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign Up or Get Started button. You can create an account using your Google account, Microsoft account, or email address, depending on the options available. If you already have an account, simply click Login, enter your email and password, or continue with your Google account. Within a few seconds, you'll be taken to your Genspark dashboard. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, so even if you're using it for the first time, you won't feel overwhelmed. Now it's time to explore what makes Genspark AI special. At the top, you'll find a search or a prompt box. This is where you'll type your question or request. Instead of asking something simple like, "Tell me about AI," try giving it a detailed instruction. For example, create a beginner's guide to YouTube automation with step-by-step explanations and useful tools. The more specific your prompt is, the more accurate and useful the results will be. Unlike many AI tools, Genspark doesn't just generate text. It gathers information, organizes it into a structured format, and presents it in an easy-to-read report. This saves you hours of manual research. Genspark AI offers several powerful features. You can research complex topics, generate articles, summarize long documents, create presentations, brainstorm business ideas, write emails, and even help with coding or learning new skills. If you're a content creator, you can use it to generate video ideas, write YouTube scripts, create blog outlines, and find information much faster than traditional search engines. One of the best tips is to keep refining your prompts. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, add more details or ask follow-up questions. The conversation becomes smarter as you provide better instructions. And that's how you can use Genspark AI as a complete beginner. From creating your account and logging in to researching, writing, and creating high-quality content, you've now learned the essential steps to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching,